Wondering what magnolia essential oil is good for or what blends well with magnolia? In this video, I will share with you some of my favorite magnolia essential oil uses, along with what it blends well with and some fun facts. I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about magnolia essential oil. Stick around to the end and you'll have a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into the content though, I always like to ask my YouTube community, what are your favorite uses for the particular oil I'm talking about, which is magnolia today? Go ahead and drop your favorite uses in the comments below. I love to hear and learn from you guys. Let's jump right in. Soothing to the skin and calming the emotions. Magnolia essential oil is combined with fractionated coconut oil in a roll-on container to create the Magnolia Touch with doTERRA. This fragrant essential oil reduces feelings of anxiousness and helps keep the skin looking clean and healthy. Magnolia can be used topically, aromatically, and internally and can be applied neat to the skin. The magnolia is an indulgent tropical flower with emotionally soothing benefits. In traditional health practices of China and Thailand, magnolia flowers have been used to help create a sense of balance within the body. A coveted ingredient in high-end perfumes, magnolia essential oil is distilled from the fresh petals of a flowering tree. Magnolia oil is a precious, costly oil due to its difficulty growing and harvesting the blossoms. It is frequently used in aromatherapy to soothe anxious feelings and in natural perfumes for its desirable aroma. So let's talk about some of Magnolia Touch's uses and benefits. When anxious feelings arise throughout the day, simply apply Magnolia Touch to wrists or pulse points. Like lavender and bergamot, magnolia has a calming and relaxing aroma that soothes anxious feelings. Promote feelings of relaxation while you're getting ready for bed by rolling on some into your palm and inhaling the scent by cupping your hands over your nose. You can use magnolia alone or layer it with lavender, bergamot, and doTERRA's Serenity or other relaxing oils. When your skin is in need of comfort, simply roll on Magnolia Touch. It offers cleansing and moisturizing benefits to the skin. The convenient roll-on bottle makes it easy to apply topically or to soothe irritation or dryness. Add to your daily skincare routine to help keep your skin clean and hydrated. To use Magnolia as your signature personal fragrance, apply topically to the pulse points at the wrist or the throat or behind the ear or inside your elbows. Use it by itself or combine it with bergamot or ylang ylang. To create feelings of calm and relaxation, you can simply roll it on the bottom of your feet. Here's a fun fact about magnolia. Magnolia blossoms must be picked by hand early in the morning or late in the evening in order to extract the essential oil. There are over 200 varieties of magnolia. doTERRA's magnolia oil comes from a variety that flourishes in Southeast Asia. This magnolia is called the white Champaca or a white jade orchid tree. It bears the fragrant flowers twice a year, which have a fresh, floral, and fruity aroma somewhat reminiscent of champagne. Magnolia trees can grow to nearly 100 feet tall. Traditionally, farmers harvesting the flowers would erect scaffolding around the trees in order to pick the magnolia flowers. At some point, farmers began cultivating the trees to a shorter size. To do this, magnolia farmers grow the trees in a giant wooden or cement container. Once the magnolia tree have grown to a sufficient size, farmers plant them in the ground, but still in the containers. This way, the tree continues to grow, but they grow outward rather than upward, allowing the harvesters to pick the flowers with great safety. Magnolia trees grown in this manner mature to about 6 feet tall. Magnolia blossoms can be harvested off the trees in the summer and then again in the late fall or early winter. So let's talk about the chemistry of Magnolia essential oil. Magnolia essential oil is similar in the chemistry to ylang ylang, lavender, and bergamot oils, which are high in linalool alcohol. Because of the high linalool content, Magnolia offers powerfully soothing and relaxing benefits to the emotions and the skin. Experimental research suggests inhaling Magnolia essential oil may help promote feelings of calmness and relaxation. Magnolia Touch can be used alone, or it can be blended with oils like bergamot, jasmine, melissa, lemon, ylang ylang, coriander, wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, neroli, and rose. Fun fact about Magnolia essential oil is that it takes 3.5 pounds of magnolia leaves to produce one 15 milliliter bottle of essential oil. Okay, those are my favorite tips about Magnolia essential oil, and it's freebie time. I am so excited to give you the chance to grab this free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Click the link in the description below to put your email in, and it will show up in your email box shortly thereafter. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Be sure to check out some of my other videos at the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button, and please reach out to me if you're wanting a free wellness consultation, or if you're looking to find and buy essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. Bye.